Okay, that's about it. We'll turn it off now. Okay, do the video slow and then try and set your Proma up to this. And this is all set up for cutting 2mm, okay? So the first digits that actually come up, oh, sorry, not that one. It was 116. This one here will adjust the height as you're cutting. So if it's down too low, just bump this number up a bit, and if it's too high, well, you put the number down. But if you start at about 120, it's a very safe thing to do, because you can always lower it down, and then as you watch your Masso, if the table is perfectly flat, you'll be able to do a touch off on the metal. It'll come up, and as it's coming along, you're going to actually see on the Masso how much your height actually is on the Masso. So you're going to go from 3mm for your pierce, you'll come down to 1.5mm, and then it's going to go and start the Proma in your actual cutting. So you might be up around 3 or 5mm, and you can adjust this here to get down closer to your piece of steel, okay? So just down arrow to take it down closer to the metal, up to go higher. Just do one figure at a time. It'll be safer that way. Mine actually runs around 3 or 4mm above the plate at the moment. It's still cutting good, and just a little bit scared of taking it down too low, but as I get more confident with it, I'm going to start bringing it down, hopefully to set it closer to you, like your 1.5mm from the plate. But yeah, we'll see how that goes for you, okay? Power supply is, I'm just using an old laptop. I think it's 19 volts, okay? It's just running in on this wire here. They've still got the ferrite beads on it, so I've left them on, and I've just put them in there.